In this video, I'll guide you through 10 easy steps to fix your Windows 10 or 11 lagging and slow performance. After completing these steps, you'll see a noticeable boost in your Windows performance. Let's dive in. For the first step, we'll disable unnecessary permissions which can make Windows run slower. Right-click on the Windows icon and let's select Settings. Click on the Privacy and Security from the left menu. Click on General and here disable all permissions. Go back and let's disable permission for speech, inking and type in personalization, diagnostics and feedback, and activity history. In search permissions, make sure to set safe search to moderate for security and disable cloud content search and history options. And under searching windows, disable the power settings for indexing. In this step, we'll disable unnecessary services that might be slowing down your computer. Go back to Privacy and Security, disable Location, Camera, and Microphone, if not in use. And disable Voice Activation, Notifications, Account Info, Phone Calls, Email Task Messaging, Radios, Other Devices, Automatic File Download, and Documents. Next, we will adjust personalization settings to improve system performance. Click on the Personalization from the left menu, select Colors, and disable Transparency Effect. For this step, we will optimize performance settings to make Windows 11 run smoother. Open the Windows search bar and let's type sysdm.cpl and press enter. In the System Properties window, click on the Advanced tab. Under Performance, click on Settings, select Adjust for Best Performance, and just make sure to enable Show Thumbnails instead of icons and Smooth Edges of Screen fonts. Click Apply and then OK. In this step, we'll disable unnecessary startup applications to speed up your computer's boot time. Right-click on the Windows icon and select Task Manager. Go to the Startup tab. Here, you can disable unnecessary applications from starting up, such as Microsoft Teams, OneDrive, Teams, and any other third-party applications. Next, we will uninstall unnecessary applications to free up system resources. Open the Windows search bar and let's type appwiz.cpl and press enter. And here, look for applications you don't use and uninstall them, such as Microsoft OneDrive, Team, and any other applications. Now, keeping your system up to date can enhance your performance and fix potential issues. Click on the Windows icon and let's go to Settings. Navigate to Windows Updates and click on Check for Updates and install any available updates. Now, removing temporary files and other unnecessary data can free up space and improve speed. Open the Windows search and let's type Disk Cleanup. Then press Enter. Select your system drive, which is usually the C drive, and click OK. Now here, check all the boxes for the file you want to remove and click on the Clean Up System Files. Click OK and then delete the files. Finally, optimizing your drive can help improve your performance, especially for HDD. Now, if you have SSD, then you can skip this step. Open the Windows search bar and let's type defragment and optimize drives. Then press enter. Select your hard drive and click on optimize. And just follow the prompt to defragment your drive. Alright, after applying all these changes, just make sure to restart your computer. And you should notice a significant improvement in performance and resolutions of the lagging problem. Hopefully, this solution will work for you. If it does, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Bye for now.